In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use face or body tracking in CapCut. This is an incredibly useful feature that will enable you to track objects such as faces, bodies, hands, balls, or even cars, adding a layer of smoothness and dynamism to your edits that's perfect for creating polished and professional videos. Whether you're looking to make your video more engaging or simply want to add a bit of flair, this tracking feature can make a huge difference. Now, let's dive in and learn how to implement it. The very first step is to create a new project within CapCut. Once you have your project set up, go ahead and import the video footage you'd like to work on. This could be a simple clip you filmed on your phone or something more complex from a professional shoot. Next, you'll want to locate the camera tracking option within the menu. This is your gateway to tapping into CapCut's powerful tracking capabilities. When you tap on the camera tracking option, you'll see a variety of targets to choose from. You can select to track a face, the body, hands, or even customize the object you'd like to track. Let's say we choose face tracking for this example. Once you do, CapCut works its magic by automatically adding keyframes to your video. These keyframes help to keep your subject centered as they move throughout the scene, ensuring a seamless and captivating viewing experience. Now it's important to look out for and address any potential blur effects that might occur, especially if there isn't sufficient space around the subject in your footage. Thankfully, you can easily fix this by adjusting the settings like Fit Canvas and controlling the blur effects so your subject remains sharp and clear. These adjustments will help maintain the professional quality of your video. Once you've made these changes and you're happy with how the tracking looks, simply tap the check mark to finalize the tracking. If you feel the need to redo or tweak the keyframes for greater precision, CapCut makes it easy for you to adjust and fine-tune. For those of you seeking even more control, CapCut offers custom tracking for manual refinement. This way, you can perfect the tracking effect beyond the automatic settings, achieving exactly the look you want. And there you have it. Your video now benefits from professional, grade face or body tracking, enhancing its overall impact. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more in-depth tutorials like this one. Thank you for watching and happy editing.